but let's go ahead, just jump right in and get started. First piece that I have is this little puffer vest, which I don't think this was here when I did my last like sit down haul, but I had ordered this. I love it. I think it's so cute. I had gotten this in brown back in fall and I liked it a lot. I got a lot of good use out of that, but I wanted a cropped white one. So I picked this up and she's just so cute. I like neutral colors for pieces like this just because I know that's how I personally will get the most wear out of them. I'm wearing a size small and I really like the fit. I think the crop is perfect. I like the color of it. I like the collar and everything. And don't get me wrong, I don't think this would be like incredibly warm by any means, but I really like it just for the style, for the aesthetic, for the look. So in regard to that, I do like the way that this fits and like the thickness of it. Just because it is comfy, it is a piece that you could throw on and like wear comfortably throughout the day, if that makes sense, without it feeling too bulky. So some people might love that, some people might hate it, but for my intentions with this, I really like it. It has a zipper in the front. You can zip it all the way up if you want. And then it has these two little ties here so you can cinch it, which I like having that feature in case I want to use it. Transparently, I haven't ever used it on the brown one. Don't know that I'll use it on this, but at least it's there just in case. Here's how it looks from the side and back. So pretty plain, but she gets the job done and I think it's really cute. It comes in 5,000 colors. If you're not into white or brown, there's other choices for you. But I just paired this with some jeans, sneakers, white top. Again, just super casual and comfy, but I have obviously 5 million different ideas of ways you could wear this and style this. Oh, and side note, I knew I wanted to mention something and I couldn't think of what it was at first, but this comes in a basically like vacuum sealed bag when you get it. So once you open it up, it's gonna be extremely crinkly and it's gonna look wrinkled and super, super flat. I just shook it out and like let it chilled for a few days and overall mine's fine. Is it like perfectly wrinkle free? No, but it's good enough for me. It doesn't bother me. I don't think anybody else would notice it unless they're like right up on you, but I don't think that's a thing. So just wanted to call that out in case any of you order this and are confused when it arrives. I'm incredibly undecided on this next one, but honestly, I think the more that I look at it, the more that I hate it. I think this sweater is really cute. I just don't know that it's cute for me. One thing that I do know for certain is I absolutely do not like it unless my hair is up, and that's because of this neckline. I think I would enjoy this sweater more if the neckline was different and if it was just like a normal crew neck instead of this, I don't know. Normally I like a mock neck, but this mock neck is not doing it for me. But anyway, it's this white and pink checkered sweater. I thought it could be cute. I thought, why don't we give it a try? And I still think it's really cute. I just don't think it's for me. Yeah, I don't like it on myself, sadly, which is really unfortunate. But I will say the quality of the sweater is really nice. It's so soft. It's like a buttery soft material and the fit and everything is really nice. I have a size small, but yeah, I just don't know that this style and this look is for me. We tried it. We tried to venture out, but it's sadly gonna be a no. This is easily one of my favorites in this haul and one of my favorite Amazon purchases ever. So it's this matching sweat set, loungewear set, whatever you want to call it. It's so simple. It's really basic. It's just a crew neck sweatshirt and matching joggers, and I just love it. I feel so put together in this. It's incredibly comfy. I just love the look of it. It's so simple. I could live in this. It's great. I am wearing a small in the joggers and I like them a lot. I just cuff them at the bottom because that's my personal preference. They have an elastic waist, they have pockets, you can tie them if you want, and they fit really well. They're high-waisted. And then in the top, I think I'm wearing a medium. I'll triple check, of course, but I'm pretty sure I sized up to get a medium. It's so cozy. They're both fleece lined on the inside, so they're very soft on the body, which I like. You obviously can wear this out, or you can do a little tuck like me. I always do, to give some definition to the waist, but this comes in a couple colors. It was pretty affordable, and I just love this. I can't recommend it enough. I think it is the best. And then paired with this are these boots. I know they look like Uggs, but they're not. These are the Cushionaire brand, and they're basically a similar version to the Ultra Minis. And I love them. I mentioned in my last haul I wasn't ready to commit and pay the full price of the UGG Ultra Minis, so I saw these on Amazon. They were like $60, and I snagged them, and I'm obsessed. I love them. I think they are so cute. They're really soft inside. They fit perfectly. When I said at the beginning this was one of my favorite Amazon finds of all time, I meant the whole outfit. This set and the boots. I love them so much. And then actually, this is another one. I would be doing you guys a total disservice if I didn't share this. This is the Sherpa belt bag that I got from Amazon. It is so soft. I love how bright and white it is. It has gold hardware on it. The strap is adjustable. The inside is spacious. It has pockets, like netted pockets on the side, which is nice. I just love this, and I wear my belt bags with everything now. Pretty much, unless I'm like really dressing up and going to dinner and like want a nice bag. But for every day, like running errands and stuff, I am using these. They're so convenient, and they hold everything perfectly. And I just have like peace of mind when I'm wearing this and put my things in it, because I just know like it's right here. You know what I'm saying? I know I haven't lost anything, but yeah, this is great. So absolutely recommend. And obviously it goes with the fit, so it's so cute. I love it. Okay, how cute are these PJs? I love them. I think they're just so cute and girly, which I'm always a fan of. And with Valentine's Day coming up especially, I was like, I must have these. So this is just a matching satin PJ set with pink and white stripes all over, and I love it. I love everything about it. Sizing wise, the top is perfect. I love how the top fits. I did a small. The bottoms overall are really good too, especially lengthwise. I'm 5'2", as I feel like I say 17 million times in every video. But for reference, that's how tall I am. And you can see they don't even touch the ground, which is great for me, but obviously if you're taller, maybe not great for you. So this is how a size small fits me. The only other thing I'll say is that the back seam here is a little tight. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like a little tighter than I was expecting. So like this seam that literally goes right down the middle of my butt, and is the seam like for the front of the pants, I feel like is a little snug, which is strange. I feel like I've never really ran into that before, but I wanted to call it out because definitely if you're right on the cusp, you would want to size up in these just so that's comfy. But it has a drawstring waist, so you can tie a little bow with this. Overall, it's high waist, but I wish there was just like more room on this seam that goes all the way around to pull it up. But regardless, I love this PJ set. It's really cute. I like the material. It's soft. So this is a win for me. This is another piece that I love, and I've gotten so much wear and use out of this since I've gotten it. I just think it's so cute. I love Houndstooth print, and I'm always a fan of a good shacket. So I picked up this Houndstooth, why can't I say it? Houndstooth shacket from Amazon, and I love it. It's adorable. I love it with an all black monochrome outfit. I've worn it just like this multiple times, and then I wore it once to like a work type of event. So I ditched the leggings and I just did straight black jeans, and it's so cute. It's really nice. I like the material. It's cozy. And I love the fit of it. It's perfectly oversized. I like this look for especially like leggings type outfits. And when I'm gonna wear my chunky platform boots like this. So yeah, it's just a vibe. I love the contrast of like everything else being really fitted and this being so oversized. It has 2 pockets on the front, and then it has buttons all the way down, a little collar. I do have the sleeves cuffed, like rolled back once. Otherwise they are just way too long on me. But no pockets or anything. The length, like I mentioned, is just really, really great. So this is an 11 out of 10 find for me. I just think this looks so chic too. I love this outfit so much. This is like a comfort winter outfit to me. Okay, and then lastly, we just have a really comfy, cozy outfit. So I got this sweatshirt and I like it so much more than I was expecting. I don't have a lot of blue, but when I saw this, I really liked the shade of it, and I figured this is either gonna be a hit or miss, and it actually was spot on with what the picture showed. So I was super happy with that. I did size up and I did a large, and I like the way that this fits just for how I want to style and wear it. It says, if you can't see, Los Angeles, California on it. And it's actually really nice and fleecy on the inside. I had no idea really what the material was gonna be like, but it's much thicker and just like warmer and cozier than I was expecting. So this also comes in a ton of different colors. And then these probably look like the first pair of white sweatpants or joggers that I had on, but they're not. I got these probably over summer, and they are actually one of my favorite joggers to put on. I love them so much. They're really comfy. They have an elastic waistband. They're super high waist, tie detail here, pockets, and these are different from the other pair because they're just so much more high waist, and these don't have a fleece lining in them. I think these are perfect for lounging or running errands or anything, but these also come in a ton of different colors. I am wearing a small, and I just love the fit of these so, so much. And then I paired this with my Converse, love. And then I did get this puffer bag, which is really cute. It's not like, I mean, the whites don't match. It's a little off-white, has a little bit more yellow in it. But I love it. I think it's really cute, and I especially love it for an outfit like this. I don't know, it's just a vibe. So definitely check this out too if you're looking for a puffer bag or want to try it out. I think this came in 3 or 4 different colors, but I grabbed the white. But all right, you guys, that is gonna wrap up and conclude today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this round of Amazon pieces and seeing what I got. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future, because I have a ton of orders coming, and obviously love sharing what I get. But love you guys so, so much. Thank you for tuning back in, and until next time.
I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.